Are you kidding? Yes.
Go right on in. Come on, let's go. It's a little bit nasty at the moment.
What a treat. Wow.
Get my hand open.
Wow, what a treat.
My name is Roy, by the way.
Jim Marple, nice to meet you.
Well, it's nice to meet you too. I hope my heavy metal music doesn't bother you.
It's very appropriate for the car.
I record the old 78s from the 1920s and early 30s and put them on CD and play them in here.
I see you have a system down here. So they have an original engine?
It's got an engine I had to put in it. It's not original, but it does. So.
Wow, I've never ridden in a car this old.
No, this is a fun little car to drive.
This is a treat.
See what we got here. That's real early still. I love the music. It's very cool. I didn't play guitar. I was listening to it since I was real little.
I just have no big trouble playing music like this.
Oh yeah, I've been collecting since I was about 12 years old.
Is this the original upholstery?
No, it has it's about as close as I could get.
Yeah.
Now, when I got this car, I was fixing to go to the scrapyard.
Wow.
So I had to do a lot of work to it. It's a fun car to have.
It certainly is fun to ride in.
shape of this car. I love everything about it.
The
I gotta
oldest
read
car
through it a little bit.
the oldest car I've ever ridden is 1941, and I own it.
Oh.
So is this your door opener right
yes,
here?
you just take it, push it
Just backward or forward? Forward?
Yeah, push it forward.
Okay.
A little tight, but
There you go. Wow, this is so nice. This is so
it
fun.
could be better. I got to get my carpet back in it.
This is absolutely fun.
Well, fella, I'm tickled to death you got to ride.
Great to meet you.
Great
What's
to
your
meet you
name?
too.
Jim
Yeah.
Marple.
Well, it's good to meet you.
I'm
fella.
here twice a year.
Well, I'll probably
See you next
in
year.
June. This coming next June.
Yes, sir.
So we'll
Yes,
take
sir.
it for a spin again.
Well, thank you. Listen to that door click.
You have a good day, man.